Previously. I hope Liam doesn't think my family is crazy. I hope Liam doesn't think my family is crazy. But they are crazy. But they are crazy. I wonder if I should tell him. I wonder if I should tell him. No, not yet. No, not yet.
I heard you missed me. I heard you missed me. I'm back. I'm back.
Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again.
I was just thinking. I was just thinking. Do you have any hobbies, Emma? Do you have any hobbies, Emma?
I like bowling. I like bowling.
Really? I'm not very good at that. Really? I'm not very good at that.
I didn't say I was good at it. I didn't say I was good at it.
I suppose it is fun. I suppose it is fun.
Before starting college, I liked raising dogs. Before starting college, I liked raising dogs. My family still does. My family still does.
Oh, that's why they need a new doghouse. Oh, that's why they need a new doghouse.
That's right. That's right. What about you, Liam? What about you, Liam? Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies?
I play guitar. I play guitar.
That's great! That's great! Will you play a song for me? Will you play a song for me?
I didn't say I was good at it. I didn't say I was good at it. I like running too. I like running too.
Running is great for exercise. Running is great for exercise.
Do you like to run? Do you like to run?
I work out at the gym. I work out at the gym. What else do you enjoy? What else do you enjoy?
I like learning other languages. I like learning other languages.
Really? Me too. Really? Me too. In fact, I need to go study now. In fact, I need to go study now. Thank you for asking me to go out with you. Thank you for asking me to go out with you. I had a great time. I had a great time.
So did I. So did I. I'd like to see you again. I'd like to see you again. Can I have your number? Can I have your number? To be continued. Please subscribe and enable notifications.